Hello and welcome to this video on DaVinci Resolve, and in today's video we're going to be looking at how to very quickly delete gaps inside your timeline and also how to insert gaps as well. Okay, so for example, if we've got this timeline here and we've got a number of gaps, and I've just created some deliberately, it can be quite annoying to be able to take each timeline, take each clip and kind of drag it to the place and then just remove the gaps like this. What we can do instead is the edit menu and then delete gaps, and you can see that all magically reduced all the clips and brought them all next to each other. Now you may be wondering why it didn't delete this particular gap just here, and the reason for that is because underneath it's only going to delete the gap if there's nothing particularly underneath it. Now this clip here and this one here is underneath this gap, so it's not going to delete this gap unless we delete, let's say, the green from here, and we move the green line, the green audio, make sure it's in line with my blue video, and then if we go to edit, delete gaps, it successfully brings in and removes all the gaps underneath. So that's one thing to bear in mind. Now, what happens if you want to do the reverse of that and you want to insert a gap at a certain point? Well, normally what you might do is you might come in here, you might drag your clips and just sort of make your gap yourself manually. That's all very well, but if you wanted to do it multiple times, let's say here, then there's an easy way using insert gap. Now you can come into the red line here, right click and do insert gap, and there's your gap created. And you may notice there's a shortcut key to do that, which I've set up, and you can customize DaVinci to do that automatically for you. I've used this key here, the combination. For me, I made it on Control W, and I can insert the gap nice and quickly. So if I come to the gap here, Control W, I can quickly create gaps. One thing to bear in mind is it only creates a gap where the playhead currently is. So it's going to create it at this point here. If you try in here, you can then create a gap in between a clip. So you're not only sort of splitting the clip, but you're also creating a gap at the same time. There's a faster way of coming into here and then doing, for example, using the blade tool, chopping a clip, then coming in and dragging this out. And you can do it all in one hit by coming into the center and then just doing Shift W, insert gap, and you're splitting and pushing at the same time. And of course, you can do the reverse of that and then delete clips, coming to edit, delete gaps, and it's going to bring everything back together. Hope that's useful, guys, and of course it is. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you soon on another DaVinci Resolve video.